This guide will walk you through the steps to install the AnyTrack Google Tag Manager template.
Click on the New button to add a new tag.
Click on the tag icon to load predefined tags. Click on the Discover More tag types in the Community Template Gallery button.
Click on the search icon. Search for AnyTrack to load the AnyTrack template.
Click on the AnyTrack Tracking Tag option. Click on the Add to Workspace button. Click on the Add button. Switch to the AnyTrack property settings and copy the property ID.
Switch to the AnyTrack tag configuration.
Now paste the property ID in the field. Now click on Add Trigger to complete the configuration.
Select on the All Pages option.
Now save the AnyTrack tag. You can rename the tag if you wish to, and finally you can save. Click on the Submit button to update your container. Click on the Publish button.
Update the container version notes and descriptions and save.
This guide covered the process of installing the AnyTrack Google Tag Manager template.